Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. There is another story behind this one, like there was in the last one, and I just realised, excuse my fingernails, I have been using some black paint recently and I've got it all under my fingernails. I just can't get the beggar off, no matter how I scrub, so please excuse that. Anyway, I have a Nectar card, and I've been getting takeouts and various other things using my Nectar card, and when I've checked, my Nectar card has allowed me about £25 or so that I could cash in. So I thought, what the heck, so I went on eBay, I had a look, and for 75 pence I got this Azul. Let's see if I can do something about these lights. That's better, I think. I hope you can see everything now. So yes, I got Azul for the grand total of 75 pence. Let's lift this up a little bit so we can see everything. That's better. Push it further up. We may be cutting a little bit off, I don't know. Let's see if I can see if I've zoomed in slightly. I have. Oh, there we are. Yes. It's a game by Michael Kreisling, and you've probably seen this played many times on YouTube. But Azul invites you, a tile-laying artist, to embellish the walls of the royal palace of Evora. Introduced by the Moors, azulejos, originally white and blue ceramic tiles, were fully embraced by the Portuguese when their king, Manuel I, on a visit to the Alhambra Palace in southern Spain, was mesmerised by the stunning beauty of the Moorish decorative tiles. The king, awestruck by its interior beauty of the Alhambra, immediately ordered that his own palace in Portugal be decorated with similar wall tiles. So here we have a rundown of how the game is played. The contents: we have 100 resin tiles, 4 player boards, 9 factory displays, 4 scoring markers, 1 starting player marker, 1 linen bag, and a rulebook. It's for 8+ players. Sorry, it is for ages 8+, 2 to 4 players, and takes about 30 to 45 minutes to play. Let's get the knife of opening out and get this cellophane off, and then we can get inside the box and see what things are like inside. I have played this once. I enjoyed it. I'll be looking out for a copy at a reasonable price, and 75 pence, I thought it was a reasonable price. I keep saying that. It did cost me the 25 points of Nectar, or 25, oh, sorry, yeah, it did cost me how many points I cashed in at 25 for the £25, but yeah, very happy at the amount it cost me. So here we are. This is the rule book. It is an extensive rule book, as you can see. There we are. So it is a simple game to play. So we have the factory tokens, or factory tiles, at the centre of the table. Shows you how to set up the game. So it tells you about the objective of the game, how the gameplay works, the floor line, whatever that may be, wall tiling, and how to score it and preparing the next round, and end of game. There's also a variant to play. So that's the rulebook. Now these are the factory tiles. They are double-sided. There's nothing else on it, but there we are. And now we have our individual playing boards. They're all the same. One side has the tiles on that you could match up if you wanted to, and the other doesn't. You can make your own up, I presume. But again, they're all the same. There's no different player colours on this. It is just simply the same colour board for each player, and it's the same, exact same layout for each board as well. So that takes a little bit of fuss out of it. So now here we have the first player token and the scoring markers. Let's move that across over to there, and we'll put the bag out and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so these are the player points markers. I think they are. Scoring markers, they will go in this area here for your points. And you get first player token as well. This is a very pretty game. Not as pretty as Wingspan, I'll admit that, but this is a very pretty game. And it ties in with Alhambra, which I also have. So, you know, we're doing well. Then we have these teal coloured tiles. I'm not getting them all out because they're all exactly the same. Not in each bag, they'll be the same. I'll just take them out of the bag and put them all in here, I think. They're just different designs on each of the different tiles. So I'll get one tile out so you can see each individual pattern on them. And the pattern's only on one side. Oh, that's blank. Sorry, no. So the pattern's on both sides, and we have a blank one there. Oh, are they supposed to be blank? I don't know. The red ones are blank as well. And then we have these black ones which have a nice teal coloured design on them. So there we are. That's the different tiles and the different designs on the tiles, or lack of design on the tiles. And that's basically Azul. There's nothing else hidden underneath. Nice plastic, what do you call it, inserts. So what we can do while we're here, and this has been a fairly short video, I will put all these tiles back in their appropriate bag. Assuming of course I can open the bag and put them in without my hands shaking too much, because at the moment my hands for some reason seem to be incredibly shaky. And what we'll do is we'll go through and I'll show you how these are going to be arranged. So these will be taken out and placed in here. Like so. And one is slightly deeper than the other, so it fits one more of these tokens in there. Okay, and then that's about it. Do they all go in the bag? I believe they do. Yeah, so each player is given a board. Flip the board to the side with the coloured wall. The variant play is to play with the grey side of the player board, and each player must use the same side. So you take one scoring marker, which is the cube, place some 0 player. Okay, so yeah, all I'll do, I've got the bag here. I'll just tip all the tokens into the bag. We don't need these bags now as far as I'm concerned. I don't believe there's any variants where any of these are not used. So I can do that. I can put them to the side. The first player token and the points tokens can stay in there. The player boards can fit in there. The instruction book can fit on there. The lid can fit on there. And that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.